is amazing what is happening in law enforcement and in solving cold cases these days. We've got another one to talk about tonight. It's all part of our Crime Time segment where we take a look at stories and cases from around the country. We bring in our own experts to give some perspective and analysis based upon their training and experience through the years. Joining us tonight, Pasadena, California, former gang homicide detective Donald Schweitzer. Donald was a police officer for 10 years. He has investigated gang homicides as a detective. He served as a member of the SWAT unit and worked various narcotics assignments. Great to have our two experts with us tonight. Let's get right to our first story tonight from KMTV in Omaha, Nebraska. A cold case solved.
A cold-blooded killing. That's how Douglas County District Court Judge Peter Battalion describes what happened at a Ralston apartment complex in October 2013. Now, 28-year-old Ricardo Escobedo Jr. is sentenced to life in prison for second-degree murder and 40 years for use of a weapon.
Let's talk about that term, cold case. When does a case go cold?
Well, Vinny, I think this is kind of a lukewarm case in my standards. Of course, in today's day in fighting crime, it may be cold, but I don't think there's a magic number. It depends on what year you're living in. If you were living in the year where I was on the streets going after gang members, this would be a lukewarm case. It's pretty amazing that we're solving crimes involving gangs using DNA evidence. Usually they were very difficult because you had no witnesses that were willing to testify. And so there was no DNA, there was no physical evidence. It was just a bullet and maybe some tire marks from the car taken off. So, in today's standards, I guess this is cold, but not for me.